So let's start working on this REST API. And of course, that all starts here in the main.go file by adding this to the main package and adding this main function. And now the question is, where should we begin? There are so many endpoints and features that I want to support, it can be overwhelming. But I would say that it makes sense to start quite simple by making sure that we can accept and handle a first incoming request. And to do that, we could use the HTTP package that's part of Go's standard library. This is a package that provides utility functions that you can use to send HTTP requests or also to handle incoming requests. You could use this package for this purpose, and it is a decent package for doing that. However, for the REST API I want to build here, which will have some more advanced features and so on, I don't want to use this basic package. Instead, I'll use the Gin library, the Gin package, which is a third-party package provided for Go. It's not part of the Go standard library, but instead developed by the Go community. Now you can visit their official website and their official GitHub repository page to learn more about this library, and you find a link attached, but of course we're also simply going to use it together throughout this course section. Now we can install it by running this command here in our Go project. So that's what I'll do here to download this library onto my local system so that I can use it here in my Go projects. And once this download finished, once this library, this package is available, we can of course use it like any other package by adding such an import statement here. And then here, I want to import this path here, the Gin package from this path. And with that imported, we can already start using it.